Point-to-point connection. This is a general term that refers to a connection over a WAN. So let's say, for example, you've got an office in Calgary and it needs to communicate with the office in Toronto. That would be done over a point-to-point connection. It is a dedicated connection, often referred to as a leased line. Now, in order for these two places to actually communicate through a point-to-point connection, a set of rules has to be established prescribing how the data that they're going to share is going to be packaged or encapsulated. So the set of rules is called an encapsulation protocol. Point-to-point connections have two main encapsulation protocols. You use one or the other, not both. The default Cisco proprietary point-to-point protocol is called HDLC, so it can only be used between Cisco devices. It's considered a synchronous communication protocol, so because it's synchronous, a clock rate also needs to be set. Remember, your clock rate is always set on your DCE side. The other protocol that can be used instead of HDLC is called PPP. Stands for point-to-point protocol. It is not Cisco proprietary, so you can use it between non-Cisco devices, or it could be between two Cisco devices or a Cisco device and a non-Cisco device. It's actually got some advantages over HDLC. It can be either synchronous or non-synchronous. Asynchronous, I guess, is the correct term. If it's asynchronous, you don't have to set a clock rate, but if it's synchronous, you do still need to set a clock rate. PPP uses a couple other protocols within it that might be familiar. One's called LCP, one's called NCP, and then within those we've got authentication protocols called PAP and CHAP, and I'm going to discuss those four acronyms, those four protocols in my next video.